They're going to get wrapped up. And Michael's working more with his pink butcher paper, which we got for, I think, with free for coupons worth like $7. Anyway, so I know it's another. You've seen one barbecue video, you've seen them all. No, you haven't. Not this. This stuff's always good. So this is, which rarely gets done. We got 2 beer can chickens going on here. This guy looks like he's tilting a tad. Trying to straighten him out without dropping him. Yay! Asbestos fingers. It's a rack of ribs. They're already wrapped up. There's a tenderloin, which we photographed earlier. I mean, not tenderloin. That is beef brisket. That's center cut. This is a rack of short-cut ribs. Pork ribs. And then this is the pork tenderloin, which is my award-winning, honorable mentioning recipe. It's got rosemary on the outside. It's got rosemary on the inside. Also basil. And it's thyme. And we also stuff we season these. We also stuff whole garlic cloves crushed into the chicken breast skin, under the skin. So this is cut in half, and we load the center with herbs and spices, and then the outside, and then it gets rubbed. And of course we tie it up, and you see it's cooking its juices. So we're going to pull this off in a minute. The rosemary that's on we usually tie it on the outside, it gives it flavor, and then on the inside. And you don't want it all on the inside because it becomes overwhelming. But burning it on the outside gets the skin as it gets all nice and crusty over there. So that's what we're doing. And then we're coal firing potatoes and sweet potatoes. I also have corn on the cob, which I may or may not soak a couple ears. And to also put on the grill, which I love. So I'm going to close this up so it keeps on smoking. If you leave it open too long, you get a flame, and you don't want a flame, you just want smoke. So that's that. Pitmaster, we love you! Roaring cheers and applause.